Hi, my name is Jim Gesto. I'm the creator of the Tower Trike. I love riding motorcycles, but I did not like the inherent danger that came with riding motorcycles. So I built the Tower Trike as a safer alternative to your ride. I Googled the largest motorcycle that you could possibly build and still called it a motorcycle, and we could come up with 11,000 pounds. After that, it's not a motorcycle. This one weighs in at 10,900. You won't keep up with a crotch rocket motorcycle, but you don't have to wait on it. It performs about like a standard clock, but it rides like a dream.